Peace Prize. And in his speech, he accepted that it was on behalf of the 6 million Tibetans inside of Tibet. Those who have suffered so much and yet can still continue to suffer. In this speech, he said, no matter what part of the world we come from, we're all basically the same human beings. We all seek happiness and we all try to avoid suffering. All of us human beings want freedom and try to seek to determine our own destiny as individuals and as peoples. And we continue to come together with one reason: to fight China's oppression, to build a better world and determine our own destiny. Now, with his 90th birthday this year, his message continues to resonate. And every single one of us showing up today is a testament of China's failure to eradicate us. And as we know, China is now trying to build this massive, huge mega embassy right here in central London, right above the fiber optic networks. And we know what this means. It means more surveillance, more repression, yet another attempt by the CCP to extend its control far beyond its borders. And to me, it's ridiculous. Not only because it endangers us, as so many of us are here British citizens, but it also endangers the heart of Britain's democracy itself. Because we remember how in 2022, we saw how China had illegal police stations all across the world, including here in the UK, including in London and Glasgow, to monitor and intimidate dissidents. Our communities know the reality, and this super embassy only deepens our fears. And the UK government has delayed its decision until 20th of January. But we will not stand by quietly. While China expands its influence abroad, we also know that the repression inside of Tibet only grows deeper. And that's why today I want to stand still with Anya Senda, a nomad, but also a Tibetan hero. He was a grassroots community leader and did everything what he could to fight corruption and protect the Tibetan plateau. What he deserved was freedom. What he got was prison. He was supposed to be released last September, yet China has extended his sentence to February. But still, his courage continues to live on, even behind bars. His suffering reminds us of the countless Tibetans who cannot speak freely, who cannot gather, who cannot protest here like us, yet whose spirit remains unbroken. Even in the face of all of this suppression by China, trying to break us down, all our communities, I see something powerful, and that is our unity within our communities. Our youth, across the world right now, from New York to Amsterdam, from Tokyo to Berlin, Tibetan youth are organizing, leading, and refusing to be silent. And here in London, I see the same strength. I see the same resilience. It is a testament to the power of community, to the belief that even when the world tries to forget Tibet, a new generation will make sure it is never forgotten. And that is why, despite everything China tries to do, we are still here, because we are carried by generations before us and by the generations rising now. Tibetans, Uyghurs, Mongolians, Hong Kongers, pro-democratic activists, today we stand together in solidarity and in truth. We stand together to say that we cannot be erased. Our identity cannot be erased. Our resilience cannot be erased, and our resistance cannot be erased. Wherever we are in the world, our pain may connect us, but so does our courage. With His Holiness turning 90 this year, his message feels more urgent than ever. Compassion, freedom, and the right of all peoples to shape their own destiny. So we may we honor his message not only in our words, but also in our actions. May we continue to resist every single day until justice comes.